A bill passing regarding amendment is Christian Marriage Act, 1872. Following is the proceeding. Said bill is passed by the National Assembly. It is further to amend the Christian Marriage Act, 1872. Whereas it is expedient further to amend the Christian Marriage Act, 1872, 15 of 1872, for the purposes hereinafter appearing. It is hereby enacted as follows. Short title, extent and commencement. This act shall be called the Christian Marriage Amendment Act, 2024. It extends to the Islamabad Capital Territory. It shall come into force at once. In the Christian Marriage Act, 1872, 15 of 1872, in Section 60, in subsection 1. For the word 16, the word 18 shall be substituted, and for the word 13, the word 18 shall be substituted. Statement of objects and reasons. It is the function of the state to protect the inviolable dignity of children as their basic human rights and to protect children being married before age of majority as their basic rights to education and other ancillary rights would otherwise be infringed. The main purpose of this enactment is to protect children from being sexually abused and to secure children their basic fundamental rights as enshrined in the Constitution of Pakistan of the Islamic Republic of Pakistan and the marriageable age and the other laws prevailing in the country. Presented by Mr. Naveed Amir Jiva, Member, National Assembly.